Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me, and I was not going to film until possibly this weekend. I'm still recovering from being sick. Good news is my wrist is better, so I'm no longer wearing that ugly wrist support thing that I had on. So that's a plus. I am feeling better, just a little tired physically. I guess I just need to rest. But anyway, I'm doing this video because I got my Ipsy bag today in the mail, and I figured let me just show them what I got. And I don't know, God, who has Ipsy? Because I feel I'm just so over it. I'm so over Ipsy. Ipsy was one of the first subscriptions that I ever had when I found out about the whole subscription and just, you know, subscriptions out there in the world, and that you can pay a small fee for a monthly bag to come in. And Ipsy was really great. But then along the way, I don't know, the products are just not the same. I don't know, I'm just so turned off by the products. And then, you know, there's other subscriptions that came out, you know, BoxyCharm and you know, Fabletic or Fab, whatever, I don't even know what it's called. But there's these other subscriptions that came out, and it just seems like Ipsy is just being left behind in the dust. I don't know. I'm gonna show you what I got in my bag. First of all, this is the bag for the month of December, which I guess is cute. I don't care for it. Again, in my last video, I mentioned that I throw out the bags because I just don't care for the bags. Nothing fits in these bags. I carry a lot of makeup. I would have liked to use them as a makeup bag, but they're just not big enough. They just don't carry enough of my things. So this is a glitter sequin bag, as you can see, and on the back there is, I'm guessing it's a faux leather or pleather or whatever you want to call it, with a little tassel for a zipper. When you open it, the products will obviously be inside. And it has this be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for a holiday gift to you, a bonus 6th Glam Bag product, which I really didn't even know too much about the Glam, only that it was full-size product. So it's pretty much kind of like Boxy Luxe, I'm guessing. And then it's just, you know, just nonsense that's written on the back. First of all, for those of you who have been known Ipsy for a long time, Ipsy used to put the name of the products on here, how to use it, and the price value. They don't do that anymore. I don't know, I just always thought it was kind of a nice touch to do it. I don't know why they stopped doing that, but anyway, I'm going to go into the products just to show you. This first product here is a brush, as you can see, and really this looks just similar to a lot of brushes that I have. I have something just like this, and I forgot the name of it. Or you know what? It's actually on here. What is that? A Miss Glam, I think it is. It says a Miss Glam on here. It's very similar to a brush I have. This looks like a tapered highlighting brush. It's very cute, purple or pinkish kind of, you know, nice and glittery. And then the bristles, which are here, as you can see, very nice. Bristles are nice and soft for the most part. So this is one of the products that I received. Now the next product I'm going to show you, this is from It Cosmetics, and this is the It Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I didn't really open any of these products, probably because I'm just turned off by it. But as you can see, this is the product, says Superhero on it. I'm just going to open it up so that you can see the brush. I'm not really a fan of these brushes. And you know, you would think, I know these brushes are made for like volumizing and lengthening. They actually really don't do anything for me in the lengthening or volumizing department. So, I mean, I guess I'll give it a try because my $10 did go into this bag. So yeah, next product, let me just show this to you. This is the the 35E brush from Farah, F-A-R-A-H. And this is it right here, as you can see. Pretty big brush. And I'm just, I'm not crazy about this brush. Maybe this can be used as a highlighting brush or a small powder brush to get certain corners on your face or what have you. I'm not crazy about the brush. First of all, I don't know, it feels kind of cheap to me. I don't know, it just doesn't feel as soft as you would expect it to be. So this is the brush that I received. I'm just gonna put this on here. Next product, let me see. Okay, so here's the next product. This is from Letty London, and it's called AM to PM eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up because this is all sealed again. I did not open any of this stuff. So this is the product, which is basically, you know, black pencil. This is in the color black. Just gonna swatch it. It is pretty dark. So there's the swatch right there. And that is pretty dark, I'm not gonna lie. That's very dark. And this is eyeliner. Doesn't really say anything else other than that. Next product, this is from Juice Beauty. And this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular 2-in-1 Cleanser. So this is a cleanser. Juice Beauty, I've never really tried their products. It's sealed. Let me see if I can just get this seal off of here. It has a very light, fresh scent. It's almost citrusy, I'm gonna say. So this is one product I may be looking forward to trying out. And the last product that I have here, this is I guess, which looks like to be a liquid lipstick. Then this is Lip Brulee. This is from the Beauty Crop Lip Brulee High Shine Lip Cream. Let's see. I'm gonna open this up. The color is okay, I guess. I'm not really. It's called Rhubarb Custard is the color. Just gonna go ahead and swatch it right here. So that is the lip product. And this is glossy. Doesn't really smell too bad. Has a light scent. Can't really put my nose to what it smells like. Product looks okay. Lip Brulee, the Beauty Crop. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if anyone else has. So I really don't know, you know, the quality or anything like that. But anyway, so this is my subscription for this month from Ipsy. I don't know, I just don't care for the products anymore. I'm just totally turned off. You know what really annoyed me today is that I was scrolling through Facebook, and you know how they have the ads of like products and stuff. So I'm seeing an ad from Ipsy, and they're showing this month's bag supposedly of products, and there's like a highlighter and like this nice full-size lipstick. I mean, a really pretty looking lipstick. And there were products in the ad where they were just so, you know, it was just misconceiving. Is that a word? Am I saying that right? The products just, I mean, I don't know. It's just totally, it's just totally not what they give you in your bags. Now, I don't know if I have this product, if I'm the only one or there's other people. I did see in the comments a lot of people were complaining that, you know, the stuff that they advertise is not the bag of products that they get, and I'm including myself. I've never had problems with a lost bag or being charged and my bag not arriving, which is also a complaint that I've seen a lot of people. But then again, I think mostly all subscriptions deal with that, I guess. But really my problem is just the lack of good products. Their products, you know, not so much the problem of I haven't heard the product or whatever, but then these brands that they come in, not only are they unknown, but they're cheap quality. I mean, I've gotten lip products from Ipsy and eyeshadows and stuff from brands that I don't know, that I would give a chance, but when you swatch them, when you put them on, they're just so cheap. And I'm like, this is you know, I'm paying my $10 for this. I can just be saving this $10, you know, and let it go to my BoxyCharm box or my BoxyLux or whatever, you know what I mean? So I think that this is going to be my last bag for sure. I had unsubscribed from them for quite a while, and then I signed back up with them because I wanted to give them another chance. Maybe their products change, you know, this and that. And really, I signed back up with them because of the ads I was seeing. I was looking at these products and be like, wow, it looks like they picked up their game or something. But upon re-signing up with them, I noticed, for me, and I'm speaking on my behalf, Ipsy is just the same with the poopy products, cheap products. You know, you're paying $10, a bunch of samples. There's so many other subscriptions out there, especially subscriptions that are giving you full-size products. It's just not worth it to me anymore, in my opinion. Do you see my headband? It totally moved my ears. But in my opinion, Ipsy, I'm over you, Ipsy. Sorry. So I just wanted to just, I guess, vent a little bit if that is what I did. But anyway, if you feel like I feel, let me know. Sound off in the comments. And, you know, I want to make sure. I don't think I'm the only one, really. But I'm over Ipsy. So I'm really disappointed, but what can you do? So anyway, thanks, guys, for watching me show my poopy products on Ipsy, from Ipsy, and I will see you next time. I'm going to try to film a new video as soon as I can. I really would like to get a holiday look up here. Hopefully I'm doing much better in a couple of days, which I am totally much better than I was last week. So anyway, a lot of rambling. I've got to go watch TV. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.